Thank you very much, Lucy, for the invitation. So my name is Margaret. I'm Portuguese. I work at INL, International Iberian Nanotechnology Laboratory here in Braga, Portugal. I joined INL already for some time. I even before it was created. So INL is an international organization focused on research, on nanotechnology based research. And I joined this project commission in 2009 as an engineer. So my background is engineering. I'm a chemical engineer. I used to work in the industry, in a semiconductor industry. And I joined this project commission with the main purpose of launching the clean room, which is one of the facilities we have in-house that is dedicated to micro and nano fabrication processes. And due to the background I have, I was hired to for the let's say for the site readiness, so to make it ready in terms of infrastructure, in terms of equipment. So there was, let's say, 2 years of selecting equipment, installing equipment in the clean room, setting up processes, work with research groups on the development of their technology and processes. Um, and I kept on this role for about 5 years. There have been several occasions in which I had to assume a leadership role. We are very interested in the collaborative spirit. So when there is a new activity or an issue or an improvement, our strategy is to work as a group. Okay. So you gather different experts from different fields and you address something and you work towards a solution. But of course, in a group, sometimes you need a leader because things need to move on and you need to comply with a timeline. You need to keep on your goal. You need to be focused on what we want to achieve. So there were, I would say, several occasions in which I assumed a leadership role. I would characterize it as, let's say, the executor. So the type of leader that is the executor. So, okay, so what should we do? Let's move on. Let's put in place. Let's forget about all these 10,000 options. And okay, we select this one and we try it. And if it fails, we go for another one. We created a commission at INL, safety commission, that handles all kind of issues that relate with this pandemic. Of course, focus on the safety, on the well-being. This is a commission that is composed by different people. Of course, I would say the leader is the director general that is, let's say, heading this commission. Sometimes you need to take the leadership role when there's, and this happened many times in this commission, when there's a real problem. And in this specific context, the executor is really needed because you need to move fast, because you have people that are waiting for your answer, for your decision, for your feedback, that may be in a very difficult situation. So you need to move fast and wisely. So you need to be able to analyze different options, but understand that you have until the end of the day to analyze them and to assess and to provide a decision or a recommendation. So this uncertainty is the main challenge when you have to decide, when you have to prepare a contingency plan, when you have to implement measures, when you have to adapt them over time. And of course, the other is, I would say, the criticality of the issue. We're talking about people, we're talking about the business continuity of an organization. serious situation, you may have to close doors. And I think, of course, this puts some pressure. We are not talking about a project in which you have to decide on a color of something. We are dealing with topics that are very sensitive, with a high risk, and I think this has been for sure the main challenge. Most important, I would refer, is empathy. So um, in these specific situations we have to handle, you need to, I work in quality, so I am very linked to processes, to procedures, to systems. And in my mind, to go from A to B, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I really hate to have to go to plan B, plan C, plan D, because this means that it was not properly designed from the beginning. And the second, I think it has been also valuable to have this holistic approach, this knowledge about the organization, to be able to act fast, and also to be able to take the best decisions, I would say. So this understanding is has been very helpful in this task. Thank you very much.